Hello beautiful people, how are you today? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen. Welcome! Today we are making basil pesto, pesto alla genovese. But why Genovese? Because this recipe comes from Genova, a beautiful town in northwest Italy. To make this recipe you should use mortar and pestle, but I'll show you how to reach the same result using a blender. We have 50 grams of basil leaves, 1 cloves of garlic, 20 grams of pine nuts, 50 grams of grated cheese, half pecorino and half parmigiano reggiano, 80 grams of extra virgin olive oil, pepper and salt. To have a great pesto, you need to keep cold as much as you can tools and ingredients. I put in the freezer for a couple of hours the container, the blender blade, the pine nuts and the cheese. We are doing that to maintain the basil green color and flavor. Place in the container the basil leaves, the pine nuts, the garlic and extra virgin olive oil. Salt, pepper. Start to blend, but please don't keep blending like there is no tomorrow. Start and stop. Up and down. Then add the cheese. The pesto is ready. You can keep in the fridge, close in a container for 3-4 days. Oh, it's good. Look at that. Easy, I told you. Okay, beautiful people. I hope you liked this video. If so, please keep on watching my channel and subscribe. See you soon!